Welcome back to another video. It is Monday, September 20th, 2021. The market is closed. Today was a crazy day. Everything red across the board. Everything seemed to pair their losses towards the end of the day, which is a very good sign. The S&P 500 was down almost 3% in one day. That is not a normal move. You don't see those moves very often, although they do come a couple times a year, 2-3 times, a few times. But it is just one of those days. I've heard September is known for being a weak day or a weak month in stocks. But as you can see, everything was red in the equities markets, mostly due because of the Chinese Evergrande real estate company is going bankrupt. They are absolutely insolvent. Looks like crude oil is still above $70 per barrel. Gold was green on the day, even though the gold stocks were down. Silver had a more rough day, even though they're kind of rallying ever since the market closed. I'll get into some positions here pretty soon. AMC and GME were pretty red. But both, again, like the overall market, paired their losses toward the end of the day, which is a really good sign. That means we have momentum going into Tuesday, which I also heard that when you have a Monday and the S&P 500 is down more than 1%, there's like a roughly 70% chance that the market will be green on Tuesday. And that's called Reversal Tuesday. All right, let's keep going into the portfolio, looking at the broader market. Chinese stocks were hit really bad today. As you can see, Alibaba was down over 5% on the day. Energy got hit really bad. International stocks really bad. Emerging markets got crushed today. Gold stocks were down, but not that much. You can see Barrick Gold was actually up 1.5% somehow. No idea why, but Newmont was down 2%. Those are the two biggest senior gold miners in the index. Now let's get to the portfolio. And I suffered some pretty big losses today, mostly from AMC, down 4.7K. I was down, my entire portfolio was down quite a bit today. At its peak, it was like $18,000, but now it's only about $10,000. So like I said, the market paired their losses. I did try to get fancy doing some couple day trades. Didn't really work out, blew like another $1,500, unfortunately. But I did absolutely plow into this new position. I did try to make a day trade over here, lost $480. I got rid of my October 1st $95 short puts. I think I was down about 4K on that trade in total. 2K was today alone. But this is a massive lottery ticket. This is a weekly call option on AMC that expires this Friday with a $40 strike price. So I'm in the money, and I have 50 contracts, and it expires this Friday. I currently got it at $2.21 per contract. I'm up 1.6K total on these shares on the day. I did have 70, and I sold 20 of them. That's why I'm up 1,200 since I opened it, and it's not the same number as my PL day. But this is just kind of rolling the dice. I'm rolling the dice on Reversal Tuesday, and as you can see, AMC was down 9%. Excuse me, they closed down 9% on the day. It was down as much as 12% at one point, under $40 per share. These contracts were down at the close of the market 53% on the day. So that is a massive discount, and just the risk to reward in my eyes is just there. And that's why I was willing to kind of roll the dice with these contracts. Again, if AMC has a bad red day tomorrow, these contracts are not going to look pretty. And as you can see, I have $12,000 invested in this. This is all on margin. And these are calls, which are leveraged products. So I'm taking maximum risk. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I almost forgot to say that. Just posting this for my investing journey. So that's my big bet. I still have my 1,000 shares. Did not sell a covered call today. Let me see here. There was two other things I want to go over real quick. They are the gold miners. And let me find it real quick. Those were both in the green on the day. Here we go. JNUG. I'm up $1,100 on the day. As you can see, these contracts were also down 44%. The ETF was down 3%. This is just a leveraged ETF. These things are not designed to be held long-term. So this is going to be a swing trade. Really hoping gold and silver, or the gold stocks at least, are in the green. And so this ETF will be in the green, and hence these contracts will just be in the absolute green. I could have sold this for an $1,100 profit, but I'm rolling the dice. It was a really bad day today. Pretty much bought the dip. Again, this is all levered up on margin. That was the JNUG, and then I have the NUGT. This is another leveraged ETF on the senior gold ones. The previous ETF that we were just on, that was the leveraged junior gold miners. This is the senior gold miners leveraged ETF. So again, here I got this at a really good price. I just didn't invest that much into it. It was $2,300 investment. These contracts were only down 8%, but as you can see, GDX wasn't even down 1% on the day. Again, I just need Newmont and GOLD. Those are the top two holdings in the GDX ETF. I think it accounts for about 25% of the entire ETF. So just hoping gold and silver rally on Reversal Tuesday. I'm crossing my fingers right now, and I got a lot to sweat. I got a lot of money to make back up for, and hopefully that's a good starting point. Absolutely getting wrecked on AMC. As you can see, year to date, up $32,800, down from my peak of $47,000. As far as GME, I have no exposure to it at the moment, and that's pretty much it for now. I hope everybody enjoyed their day. Don't worry about these really dark, nasty, bloody days. There's a lot of noise in the market. These are just, in my opinion, good buying opportunities for the long run. So I'm going to wrap it up with that. I don't want this video to be too long, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoy this kind of content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.